This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. Are you looking for a lot of space both inside of your home and outside? Then this is the home for you and your family. A traditional 2,000 square foot ranch floor plan that boasts vaulted ceilings and bay windows. Dual entry deck access gives the primary bedroom suite a private door. Don't be fooled by the one-story appearance. There is a finished room over the garage that makes way for a fourth bedroom, office space, entertainment room, or whatever your heart desires. Oversized backyard is perfect for making your own oasis and relaxing exterior area. Being located in the heart of Chesapeake makes access to local shopping and restaurants a breeze. For more information, review the details below.